Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to make a 2x6 banner in Canva and print it. Alright, let's begin. First, open Canva and sign into your account. Click Create a Design, then choose Custom Size. Set the dimensions to 72/24 inches, which is the standard size for a 2x6 foot banner. Next, start designing your banner. You can search for banner or event templates or create your design from scratch. Add your text, photos, logos, and graphics, then customize the fonts, colors, and layout to match your event or brand. Before exporting, make sure your banner is in landscape orientation. Review the spacing and alignment to ensure all important elements are positioned correctly and won't be cut off during printing. Once you're satisfied with the design, click Share. Then download. Choose PNG as the file format and export the banner at Canva's default quality unless your print provider recommends different settings. So that's basically how you can make a 2x6 banner in Canva and print it. That's it for this video. Thanks.